how to find privacy settings on Spotify, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First open your Spotify and now just click on your profile here in the top corner, and then you will see settings. Click on it, and here you will find social. Here you can manage some privacy settings, or you can just scroll down and here you will find privacy, and that's it. You can manage it here, or social, wait, where is it? Here is it. And here can also manage publish my new playlists on my profile and start a private session and anything you want. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.